Welcome to the Flo-One training guide. In this video, we'll be running through how to use a Yealink T54w on Flo-One using one of our standard configurations. Although we're using the T54 today, most of the features we cover are the same when using other Yealink T4 and T5 series phones. We'll start by running through the various line keys available. Starting from the top left, you will see your name and extension. Below this, you can see we have configured an answer button, and pressing it will answer any call coming into your team. Beneath, you'll see two park buttons, which we'll run through at the end of this video. From here, you'll see your own bespoke contact list. If the contacts here are on the Flo-One system, they'll be displayed as green when their phone is idle. They'll be shown with a red light when they're on the phone, and they'll flash red when their phone is ringing. Pressing a flashing red button will answer their phone, assuming your user has permission to do so. The bottom right line key will scroll through up to the three screens of contacts. Below the line keys, you'll see your soft keys. The history will display the calls you've made and received. Directory will show the contacts on the system and your external directory if you have one. The next button shown here is DND, or Do Not Disturb. Press it and you'll put your whole account onto Do Not Disturb mode, and anyone that phones you will go to voicemail. This typically works across your desk phone, mobile app, web app and PC app. Simply press it again to turn it off. This specific soft key may be configured differently depending on your own business requirements, such as login and log out button for hot desking or signing in and out of call queues. The menu button will take you through the options of the phone. The main options of interest are under Basic. Here you'll find Bluetooth for headset functionality and Wi-Fi, which can be useful if you're running the phone over Wi-Fi. The general navigation buttons are on the left, along with the volume control. This can change the volume of the ringer, the speaker, the earpiece and headset. Over to the right, you'll see the headset toggle button, mute, voicemail, hold, recent calls and transfer buttons. At the bottom, you'll see the loudspeaker button. To make a call, use the number pad to dial your number. Please note you do not need to press any extra digits to get an outside line, but you do typically need your area code. To connect the call, lift the handset or press the Send button. When on an active call, the soft keys have changed to display Transfer, Hold, Conference and End Call. To transfer a call, press Transfer, then either dial the number and press Send, or press the contact you wish to transfer to. When the person answers, you're able to speak to them to explain who you're transferring before pressing Transfer again to complete the transfer. To blind transfer, just press Transfer again before they answer. Press Hold to put the customer on hold. Press the same button again, now labelled as Resume, to bring them back. Conference easily allows a multi-user phone call to take place. It works in a similar way to transferring. Press Conference, then pick the person you wish to speak to using the line keys, or dial the individual you'd like to call. You'll begin to call the new person and have the opportunity to explain that you're about to have a conference call and ensure the extra party is okay to do so. When confirmed, press Conference again to bring them into the call and make a three-way call. Press Conference again to increase and bring other people into the call too. You'll see the Park soft key. Pressing Park will park your call, placing the customer into a virtual holding area where they will hear your hold music. Note you are no longer on an active call. You will see that Park 1, 2 or 3 will now be red. You can now either verbally explain to another colleague that there is a call on Park 1, 2 or 3 for them to pick up, or you can change phones to pick up the customer in another location. To retrieve the call, simply press the Park key. The last line key you'll see is End Call. This will hang up. So too does the X key. Thank you for watching the Flo-One guide on using a Yealink T54w. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and check out our other videos for further tips. And remember, let us know when you're next reviewing your hosted setup and see how we can help you get the most from your communications.